Hello, Shalom and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson, we will learn and sing a song for Purim. So you see, this is the song, only 4 words. So it is very, very easy. We will learn the vocabulary and then we will sing it. First, a few words about Purim. Purim is a Jewish holiday. The story took place probably between 5th and 4th centuries before the Common Era. There was a guy named Haman. Haman is the main antagonist in the book of Esther, Megillat Esther. According to the Hebrew Bible, he was an official in the court of the Persian Empire, Ha-Imperia Ha-Parsit. And the king there at the time was King Achashverosh. Haman had 10 kids. However, instead of taking care of his family, he wanted to kill all the Jews and try to persuade the king to commit genocide. But as you see, the Jewish people was saved. And today we have many songs to prove it. So first, let's read this song. משנכנס, Adar, מרבין, בשמחה. And in English, when Adar arrives, we increase our joy. Now let's break it down and learn the vocabulary. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, well, I will put links in the description box below, and you will be able to watch it in your spare time and when you want it. So, משנכנס, the first word, this is verb from the shoresh, root, kaf nun samech. You see, kaf nun samech. From the verb, poal, you see, with Niqqud, without Niqqud. I want you to get acquainted to the Hebrew without Niqqud as well. So you see here, cholam, vav. Shoresh, shoresh. Poal, poal. With vav, cholam. So this is from the verb lehikanes. Lehikanes. To enter. Binyan, binyan. Nif'al. You see here the nun, nif'al. Well, you have what I'm talking about, the description box below. You will see. So the meaning is to enter. And this is משנכנס. So you see mem plus shin plus nichnas. So this is the verb. Mem and shin. This is a prefix. Right? Binyan, construction. Just one word again. So you see here kaf nun samech. We're talking about instead of the pei ayin lamed and the nun here. This is how we construct the verb. And let's go there. So prefix mem. Usually the meaning is from, of, out of, then. The prefix shin here, the meaning is that, which, who or whom. And together, nichnas, enter. It's from the time that this month is entering. Like beginning, from the start of. Adar is the name of the Jewish month, Adar. Month in Hebrew is chodesh, chodesh, sicholam, vav. Niqqud, no Niqqud. Marbin, this is the verb to increase. Marbim, in the old days we used to say nun sofit in the end of the verb. Nowadays we say marbim. So like they increase, hem marbim. We increase, anachnu marbim. But here the verb, we don't have a subject in the sentence, it's a dummy subject. Like it rains, so like. And shoresh is resh bet yod. Binyan הפעיל. So this is the last word, שמחה, בשמחה, prefix שמחה. שמחה is joy, and together with joy. So when Adar arrives or enters, we increase our joy. משנכנס אדר מרבין בשמחה. That is a saying from Chazal, from the sages, the Jewish sages of the Mishnaic and Talmudic eras. The message here is that the joy is a characteristic of the entire month of Adar, and not only of the holiday of Purim that occurs within it. The joy stems from the fact that on the holiday of Purim, we see that bad things can ultimately turn into good things during that month. So this is a song. See, 4 times Mishe Mishe, 4 times Mishe Mishe, משנכנס אדר, 4 times Mishe 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 Mishe, משנכנס אדר, משנכנס אדר, מרבין בשמחה, here 2 times. So let's sing. Mishe 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 נכנס אדר. Mishe 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 נכנס אדר. Mishe נכנס אדר מרבין מרבין בשמחה. Mishe נכנס אדר מרבין מרבין בשמחה. One more time. Hey, Mishe 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 נכנס אדר. Mishe 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 נכנס אדר. Mishe נכנס אדר מרבין מרבין בשמחה. Mishe נכנס אדר מרבין מרבין בשמחה. Woo! That was fun and easy, right? So until next time, Chag Purim Samech. Happy Purim! Happy Purim! להתראות בקרוב. See you soon. Keep on singing. Mishe 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 נכנס אדר. Mishe 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 נכנס אדר. Mishe נכנס אדר מרבין מרבין בשמחה. Mishe נכנס אדר מרבין מרבין בשמחה. Woo!